Hi there, it's Jack from Genesis Marketing Consultants. Today we will run through the Text Editor widget in Elementor. This widget is used to place, edit, and style body text on your WordPress websites. Utilizing the right styling, your body text website text will draw your visitors' attention and encourage them to read on and engage with your site. Adding the Text Editor widget. Located in the Basic Widget section on the left-hand side of your editor page. Simply drag and drop the Text Editor widget into your desired location. You will see the Content tab is the standard WordPress editor. You can visually see the text as well as view the code. A short paragraph will be displayed as default. Here you can add in your own text. Editing your text. We find it easier and have less issues when editing the text in the editor window. You can select text and apply basic formatting styles, such as bold and italic styling, list options, and more. The Style tab. In the Style tab, you have the ability to change the look and feel of your text, editing the text color, size, alignment, and text shadow. The Advanced Settings. In the Advanced Settings tab, you will be able to apply margins and padding to your text. You also have the ability to experiment with motion effects settings. This is a great way to make your website interactive without having to know any code. Select the Motion Effects heading. This displays various options such as scrolling effects. When a user is scrolling on your website, the text can move, fade, blur, plus more options. Well done. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Feel free to check out our other great tutorials on our channel.